We work with women who are developing or renovating their own homes, and the vision for these homes was to create 2 7-star energy rated homes and show that people want to live in unique, sustainable, architecturally designed homes.
Looking at the outside, and it had this kind of feminine feel. And then I think moving inside, our vision was to kind of bring in a masculine vibe, so just some more bold, stark, clean lines. So we wanted to use the window furnishings to soften the space.
One of the things we like to include in all our spaces in the homes is movement through, I guess, as you move through different areas, you go into different spaces with different ceiling heights and voids. And I think in this house it's been connected really well.
I think particularly with the void that we've created at the back, a way to keep your eye going up is by bringing those shears right up to the ceiling, and it's just spectacular.
One of my favourite things about this house is all the curves that are in the design, from the outside to the inside. And what I love about the curtains is that we were able to follow the curves all the way around with the tracks and the shears.
What we were able to do was actually feature that with the window furnishings.
In this space, we've chosen a linen blend. And what we like about the linen blend is that you've got the texture, but you've also got the durability for family living. The colour is really beautiful. It kind of tones with the rest of the materials, but contrasts the floor and gives a really nice layer of softness. And that softness is accentuated by the texture and that movement through the fabric. We really like our curtains to puddle or pull on the floor a little bit, and what that gives is a better sense of fullness without being too drapey. We use motorisation in all our homes now because we find it gives us greater flexibility.
And it's also more energy efficient. You know, on a really hot day, you can actually control those blinds even when you're not home.
When we're doing bedrooms, we really like to do sheer curtains in front of roller blinds, and it really means that you get the softness and luxury of the sheers, but you've got the block out of the curtains. Motorisation also means that you can have all the curtains open and close at the same time, and that's a major win. We have loved working with DIY blinds on this because they're both flexible and
Great service.
Yeah.
And I'm not an interior designer, so having their design team help me make my selections in terms of colours, fabrics, and making sure that that all works with my look and feel, and the type of windows that I've constructed was really helpful.
I guess one of the challenges of COVID's been that many of the suppliers that we work with have been importing things, so it's been great to work with local suppliers like DIY Blinds, and they've been able to produce here, so they've got stock, they're available, and they can custom make when we need it.
They are really versatile, they offer a really great service from design to supply to logistics.
They'll measure, they'll install, they'll do everything for you. So it actually is fit for anyone. Each part of the build is really important, so you need to be thinking about window furnishings ahead of time, because if you leave it to the last minute, you just miss pieces that can add that next level or that extra layer of design and integration and really make things look finished and well thought out.